Is your roof leaking or damaged? The roof on your home is the only thing that protects you and your family from the harsh elements that Mother Nature throws our way. If your roof is leaking or you're showing signs of water damage from a recent storm, do you need a new roof for your home? Did you know that your roof is one of the most important parts of your house? It protects your family and your belongings from whatever Mother Nature decides to throw at you: rain, snow, hail, or shine. Your roof is a major part of what is undoubtedly the single biggest investment you'll ever make in your life. So when problems arise, or routine maintenance is due, professional attention is called for. An experienced and reliable roofing contractor can deal with those small things properly, that if left unattended, can turn into a major concern. Leaks, dipping, buckling, and damaged shingles can all easily lead to a larger repair bill if left unattended. So whether your roof just needs a checkup, some minor repairs, or it's in need of something more major, get quality service from a roofing contractor you can trust. Call Recieve ABC Exteriors. Are your gutters prepared to weather the next storm? Did you know that clogged gutters are actually one of the most common causes of roof leaks?